The short answer is yes, it's safe to use, and it's going to be safe to use for several years to come. And the reason for this is that most updates, most support that I was getting on Windows 10 was mostly for enterprises which have their computers connected to networks. That's when you were hearing maybe in the media, oh, there was a hack on this and those companies and things like this. But for home users that simply use internet, regular internet, emailing, maybe a few softwares, and it's simple use, basic use, your computer should be safe even without support. And I know all too well I'm going to get blasted for saying these things by other people, but as long as you keep yourself doing safe practice. So for instance, if you receive an email from maybe your bank account, your bank institution, saying, please open this, click here to change something on your account, never do that. Never open links from emails. Always go search on Google for your main official website for your bank, log into that website only on the main website of your whatever you want to log in. So never click links. That's just the way I protect myself. Don't click links that you receive or emails. And also careful on websites. There are websites which may impersonate, just kind of copy whole real websites, but those are fake websites. Always search on Google, and by the way, the first link that the Google search will show you is going to be what says sponsor link. I prefer skipping that link and just take the second link. That should be your main institution. Always check this address here, so it has HTTPS. That's for security standards. And always go this way. And by the way, when you want to log into any website, any account, if you suspect it's a fake website or it's not the real one, or you just want to be double sure, enter a wrong username and the wrong password, or even enter your username but a completely wrong password. If the website logs you in, that's a fake website right away. Usually an official website, when you enter your normal username or whatever it is, the bank is going to be your bank account number. And then if you enter a wrong password, it's going to tell a real website, this password is wrong. A fake website will not know your password is wrong, so it's going to accept the wrong password. But ideally, if you have a suspicion, don't even use the real username or whatever bank account number or so. Use the wrong information to log in, and that's how you verify it's a fake website or no. And the same, by the way, goes to your ATM machine, right? If you travel in other places which are less safe, ATM machines can be hacked. Really, even the small keyboard on those ATM machines, depending on the country, can be hacked. If you enter your card, always at the same, and the same goes when you want to pay something with your card, when you travel especially, and you are not sure those people are honest. Always enter a wrong PIN. If it takes your PIN and says, okay, you can do the transaction or something like this, that's something wrong in there. Always use a wrong password, a wrong PIN first to just try that place. And this way also you keep safe with Windows 10 and browsing on various websites. Again, I'm using Windows 10. Many people will keep using Windows 10 for home use, regular users. And I think, that's just my take, you don't have to be scared that there are no longer security updates or any updates for that matter. You are safe as long as you just follow the safety rules.